This conference will now be recorded.
Okay.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, I'm able to see. Not now. Ajay, I can't see.
Yes.
Yeah, Ajay, I can't.
Yeah. Yes, it is. It is moving.
Okay.
I don't know why it is. Okay, are you practicing regularly?
Yes, I'm practicing regularly, but I have one question.
Yes, ask me.
I am not sure that I think it will be covered later, but my question is, if a HOD, for example, yesterday the jobs that we created, right?
Hmm.
If a HOD is in charge of two departments,
Uh,
then how do we assign the position?
you can give me chart on the chart box.
Okay.
When your HOD is responsible for two departments, when a HOD is responsible for two departments, then how we can do it? Again, position. We have two code and there are four departments.
Hello?
Ajay, yeah.
1000 HOD, two departments. Example, please.
Okay, so example I'm telling you, so Ford in New York,
Ford and why? New York.
Hello.
ఇది ఎక్స్పైర్డ్
Yeah,
అయిన
madam.
లింక్ ఇది.
Hello.
We are there.
You can assign. You can
We
assign
hear
a
it.
number. Yes, yes. There are 4 RB units.
So how do we do it?
You can create 4 RB units. One is RB unit at NY. We created one of. We already
So
created,
Ajay,
right?
we already created Ajay. My question is,
Okay, I will
how do we
rejoin. Some problem with this. I will rejoin again. Please wait.
okay? Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm there, Ajay.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, madam.
Sir,
Yeah, I'm there.
ఏమైనా ఇస్తున్నా కన్సిడర్ అవుతున్నారా
Hello.
Yeah, Ajay, I'm there.
I'm
I'm
unable
there.
to
I can
share
hear
my
you.
screen.
No, I can't see your screen.
This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah,
Give
Ajay,
me
I made
permission.
you.
Uday, can you make him admin?
I made him. I made him already.
Yeah, okay, great. Carry on.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Done. Yes. Yeah. We can do, right? We can do any ED. We can create n number of originates, n number of under HOD. Also, we can create.
No, no, I want
So
HOD. I want HOD for 2 departments.
yeah, you can do that. We created right here HOD.
HOD we have not created. HOD we created in the corporate office, not in New York.
No, no. We can do that. Also, we can do any position. You can take any position. You can add. That is not
No, no,
a.
I understand, Ajay. We can create a position. I know that. I'm saying, how do we assign 2 departments to him, to one position?
Okay. Okay. Hello? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Jay.
Can you hear me? Are you able to hear my screen?
Yeah, I can get. Yeah, I'm able to see your screen.
Unable? Enable?
Able.
Able. Okay, right. I think my side connection is not good today.
Okay.
What is the question?
Okay, so if you go to staff assignment,
So we create in New York and Texas, right?
yeah. So for example, okay, this is fine, right? So if you go to staff assignments,
Okay. Okay.
okay. So if you come down completely, or
Mm-hmm.
okay, fine, done. Yeah. Now here we see that there is an meeting for New York.
ED, New York. Okay.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and if there is a HOD who is supposed to head both HR as well as finance.
Finance and HR.
Yeah, there is one HOD to see both the departments.
So HR is separate, that parameters, and your finance is not good. That is parameter. It's separate. So these two departments. How can you assign one HOD?
I understand that, Jay. I'm just giving you an
Ah,
example. Okay.
okay.
If
I
here
know.
we take HR as a department, if talent acquisition, recruitment is another department, so
Uh-huh.
HR and recruitment should be under one HOD, right? That is what my
Under
question
one
is.
HOD.
You can
One
give this
HOD.
example.
Okay. So here, what I did. So I have created here one of the HODs also, ED also there. Under the one ED, right? Under the New
Yeah.
York ED, right? So you need one HOD, is it?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. I can add here. So this is my workplace, that is New York place. So already ED is there.
Yeah.
I'm going to add here. So take position. So take FHOD. Okay, and just enter it. So what is
You
the
don't
name? I can.
create. Where we creating the job?
I'm not. I already created yesterday only.
So okay, got it. Okay.
Just enter it, and that's all.
FHOD, just say HR and finance.
HR and finance. Add here HR and finance. Right.
Yeah.
So add them.
Okay.
So H and F.
Yeah.
So here for HOD. Okay. Stand for HR and finance. Right.
Yeah.
Add
Yeah.
it.
Hmm.
Yes. So I have created here HR and finance.
Okay.
So now I added here. So one of the HR department is there, finance department also there.
Okay. So in the chart, explain it, please.
So if you go with the report structure, so in the report
Huh.
structure you should go to maintain this like this report structure, go to edit, it's near, right?
Yeah.
So I am giving the report structure here. So you should create here finance senior manager or manager
Elevate.
or elevate. So go to create here. The positions are not there. So I created F manager.
Mm-hmm.
Already I have F manager means here HR manager, HR department is there.
Yeah.
Okay. So now you can create your own here. So go to create here some more. Under here to create F. How many managers are there?
No. So managers are
Already there.
already there.
Hmm.
See, in HR there is one manager. In finance there is one manager. Okay.
Uh,
Oh, okay. Finance there is not. In HR we assign, but not in finance. So, for example, in finance also there is one manager. They should be reporting into this HOD.
yes. Yes. Okay. So you can take your finance manager. So select
Okay.
your finance department. Here you can add. Already we added these three managers already there. Okay. So here you can
Hmm.
create only one report structure.
Okay.
One report structure only. So go to report structure. Report structure. Here.
Elevate.
Do it. Add your finance manager.
Save. Okay.
Right. So done.
Okay. Got it.
Save it. Done.
Yeah. Now
Automatically.
వచ్చింది. Now I understand.
Yeah, these people are coming here. Okay. You can create a
Hmm.
number of positions, a number of jobs, a number of department divisions. Anything is there. It is really possible,
Okay.
right?
Got
So,
it. I'm clear.
okay. So today we are going to discussing how to create your own plan version, right?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Go to plan versions here. I'm living here directly here. So I don't want to go to here because I created this in a standard format only. But in the real time, whenever you give the training to the end user,
Mm-hmm.
okay, in the time you need to create separate. You don't disturb your standard one.
Okay.
which is created by you as a functional consultant you have created. So it's taking much time because not only these 31 members, there will be 1,000 members also there, right?
Okay.
Provide this information here, so you can go to explain him to create under separate sector, separate plan version. So plan version is the place where you can add your objects, right? So take
Yeah.
the current plan version for standard scenarios, right? So now, if you want to go that, so let you check this. So here I'm going to creating SPRO. Please write down for plan creation of plan version, new plan
Okay.
version, own plan version, whatever it may be. And go to this. Go to
Personal management. Okay. Enterprise.
SPRO, personal management,
And within that, we have to go to org. No, global setting.
global setting.
Yeah.
So go to global settings. So plan version maintenance, create or maintain plan version.
Okay.
I'm going to creating a separate plan version for Ford company. Okay, so you can also create separate for your company also without attending this under the current plan version. Current is standard, that's okay.
Okay.
But if you don't want that, you can also go to create your own plan versions. There are many plan versions are there. Right, go
Okay.
to name, go to name is taking FP, Ford plan version. Any number, any numerical. Okay, plan version.
Okay.
So just to save it. Right? So
Yeah.
created, so not activated. It's a table, take the table view, 77, 78 feet for creating a
Okay.
plan version. So you want to add this active and we're working on current plan version. So go to save this, come back, select one more activity, set plan version, setting up,
Okay. Mhm.
set plan version, set active plan version. So here you can add, this is called 7780 table.
Okay.
7780 table which integration total. Okay,
Mhm.
total all activities are there. So now I'm going to check here, select here. So that is what is plan version created. For
FP.
yes, you can add it and save. So what
Okay.
system saying when you active plan version is changed, when the active plan version is changed, the PD
Finish.
personal development object should be activated for that company only. So
Okay.
if you created your plan version, if you create your org structure under FP only, we can see there only it will be activated.
Okay.
Okay. For example, you created that plan version. That is, don't make such a changes.
Okay.
The message here, don't make any changes on SFP because it is standard one. That is 01 current plan version.
Yes.
So even though that we are going to enter.
Mm-hmm.
So now if you go with the 01 current plan version, that objects are personal department objects are not available
Okay.
because that is different. If you go
Right.
with this, I'm going to create in some other plan version that is other activity. So now select here human resource management
Mm-hmm.
expert mode. Activating only in expert mode only. It's possible in expert mode only.
Yeah.
So now select here what current plan version which is we created right now. Where is F,
Agree.
F plan.
Mm.
Now it's activated, right? Now you
Yes.
can go. you can go to create plan version under simple plan version. If you want to create any plan version, I am going to ABC. Okay,
Okay.
ABC plan version, creating here. I am not going to creating again Ford. Right. So it is activated, which is FP, Ford plan version, start date today, end date today. So create a structure as ABC or Ford, anything. So
Okay.
what's the concept here? If you created your total plan version, personal development activities or personal department activities, anything related to that, if you create in the same department, same plan version, you can see that activity in the same plan version only. If you created
Okay.
another plan version, you cannot see your objects.
Okay.
So why I am creating this? This is only for explaining the things to the end user.
Okay.
So if you want to create, you can create separate 01 plan version, 02 plan version or any other plan version, not on code only. Any number 01, 02, 03 can be taken in the real time and go to show them to how to create total plan versions, total so total your object. So that is only the purpose is there for creating. Otherwise, to avoid confusion, you should create your own plan version, pod plan version for you, and create the plan version which is already created in the 01 plan version. If you don't
Okay.
want anything under the current plan version, you can create your own and create your
New
objects
plan
here.
version. So the
Yes.
new plan version will be a test. It will be like a test plan version, yeah, for the end user.
Which is deactivated, that will be available to them. They don't have option to IMG, right?
True. True. True.
That's why it's the only facility. You want to create your plan version by creating new plan version, port plan version, and create your all objects here only. So it should be activated. Always it should be activated without, modification.
No. So what is the advantage of doing both the plan version?
What is the advantage of?
Having two plan versions.
No. I'm not saying to add two.
Okay.
I
Okay.
am. I said only that you work on only one plan version only.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Okay.
Zero plan version. For example, if you want to give end user training, don't disturb your standard version. Right?
Oh, that is only for training purposes.
Yes, training purpose, you can take this. So that one more advantage also there. If the interviewer asking whether you want to create a new plan, is it possible? Yes, it is possible. You can
Yeah.
create
Yeah.
your own plan and you can do whatever the activities, whatever the objects you want to create, you can create here. So that is only
Yeah.
the aim and what I am explaining here.
Got
Okay.
it.
But what are the PD activities are not available in other plan versions. So you can select your own plan version only always.
Okay. Got it.
So now I'm going to back, I'm activating that current plan version only.
Hmm.
So that I can able to view. Yes. So again come to plan version.
Hmm.
So deactivate and activate, deactivate this and activate your current plan version and enter it. So again go to back, minimize this, and if you check there, so if you set in the maintain plan version,
Uh-huh.
so it is current plan
Got it.
active,
Okay.
but this is activated. This is current plan version. This is activated. But now you can remove this. So you
Okay.
can go to again set plan version. So that is current plan version only always. So code is
Got it.
created for temporary period. Temporary period you can create and explain the things to them and
Okay.
deactivate and save it. Now
Okay.
again save it. Created any objects in the FD
Hmm.
code plan version, that objects are there only. And when you
Okay.
activate this you can see these objects here only. The
Okay.
object
Okay.
of
Okay.
related plan version only, right?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
where? So this is under you can create at any time. So you can explain to anybody at any time. So that is actual activity. Save this.
Got it.
So yeah, this can current plan version. So maintain, save it. So this is the syntax is there. That is pluggy and pluggy. So that is also one link activity.
Okay.
Right. So yesterday we created all activities here. So out of this, so PD activities, if you go to hire the employee, so this plan should be activated. Which plan you where
Okay.
you create that plan only we should be. Otherwise, your objects are not connected with the personal development activity.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So now let us see that whatever another activity. So it is creating here, creating a work center. So work center, person, cost center.
Work.
Right? Yes. Cost center is created by the finance people only. Right.
Yep. Yep.
So this is related to the work center for personal department. So function consultant only. So go to create under here. So blank it. So blank this and go to select here. That is object here. So note it. Always you should active part only, not planned one, not submitted, not approved and
Approved.
rejected. This is actually the process is going on when the company is newly starting.
Okay.
So you plan, you have the plan here, 100 positions are to be created, 4 branches are there. Okay, that plans you can submit here and that the management will approve. And
Okay.
they approve only whatever they approve, it will show you an active. Whatever they
Okay.
reject, it is rejected. But this process is not there because they are going to implementing this is for already started company.
Yeah.
It is new company, it is not going to new. So it's already there, the infrastructure already there. So whatever the standard fixture that has to be taken into consideration is business blueprint, and that business blueprint should be followed. Right. So now I'm going to creating by activating here. So here, select the work center here. So go to create here, work center.
Okay.
So select, go to take this, create info type. So info type is that is 1000 objects. I'm going to
Okay.
create a work center. Yes, work center. Is today date. Take any date 01/01/2020 also, and go to create. What is this work center? So start date, active planning position, planning status, and end the date. And go to create code, HR, admin office, code admin office,
Okay.
code administration. So this is one of the departments, right? And
Yeah.
this is cost number 500020420 already created. Now I'm going to create and again go to blank here and go to create one more object also to create it under the training center code training code training center. So this is one more place.
Yeah.
It's created objected. So relations should also be maintained here. How relations are there? Okay. So by the way, you need to create a number of work work centers, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So what are the objects are there? How the relationships also there? You can check the relations here. So that is yesterday also explained you 007, 008. So AB relations are to be maintained anywhere. So that in the next step you can see. So before that you can check this all. So what are the relationships are there?
Okay.
So under to personal management, OM, this is OM, this is OM, organization management, basic settings. Yeah, this is maintain evolution path. So
Okay.
relations are to be maintained like this. Yes. Please write down from here. A001 is subject now. A002 reports. A003 belongs to. A005 that is subordinate to. E006 that is substitute of. Describes the position, describes the task describes the position. So 008 holder, this is related to the employee position. So successor, substitute, cast center assignment, manage, okay, stopping
Okay.
required, and go to cast center distribution. So up to 14 are enough to just understand it.
Okay.
So what are the relations are there when you're going to create? Please, either you can write or take snap.
Yeah, I've taken. Yeah. Okay.
Done. Okay. So these are the
Okay.
relations. Automatically, system will show you that when yesterday you created that is line supervision of
Yeah.
line supervision of. Very good.
Below.
There.
I saw it somewhere else. No choice. I saw it.
It is 007, I think. Describes. Oh, again B. So B relations, A relations, B relations are again maintaining. This also take this. Up to 12, 14 are enough.
Okay.
So A relation, B relation. We'll
What is
line.
the difference between A and B?
Yes. That when you go into creating one of the module here that is showing A relations outside and maintaining B relations inside. Okay. Whenever
Okay.
you maintain some other methods, at the time the system will show you B relations is front of and A relations are back end. So
Okay.
totally this is a structure. This is a structure which objects are interlinked. Okay. So line supervision of that I will show that line supervision how the system is showing here. So take this now.
Okay.
Done. So now I'm going to taking that another method. So latest method. So come to here. So this is organizational plan and the infrastructure and the expert mode. In the expert mode, you can create individual objects here. So this for only org units. This is for only additional activities. You go to create expert mode. So take directly connect. So jobs, positions, work center, task center also yesterday done, right? So now the
Yeah.
second method which is every time. So here more options are there here. Entire picture we can able to view at a time.
Okay.
Right now, second method that is armor staffing method. Go to create. So whenever you create these objects in simple maintenance also, you should come to assignment, linking, so integration part, and that is armor staffing method also we can do. So if you create your any structure in anywhere, you can able to view in the any other module also, any other
Yeah.
script also. For example, you create all activities under simple maintenance, you can able to view this under the organized staffing method also. If you created
Yeah.
this staffing method, you can also see anywhere in the other module also, right? So again, I'm taking the 01 2020 the standard period. I'm going to creating that one more activity here. So one more company I'm going to create in there. So how to create? So very simple. We can see entire picture at a time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this is search area, this is select area, this is overview area, and this is detail area.
Yeah.
So here assignment, cost distribution, work schedules, quota planning, grouping. Okay, so you can create a new organ structure. This is in a text here. So this is standard date, end date, and also we can go to add here cost assignment. So assignment also can be added here. So this is actually related to the finance function consultant area. So we can check here that whatever you created from your side. So controlling area finance, master data, this is master cost area. This is called parent cost center. Okay. And also where child cost center also. Business area is also there. So company code is ours. Personal area, personal side areas. Okay. So check that. Okay. In the real time, they will create this all. So you can go to assigning this for the recording of actual expenditure, actual income of that department. So
Okay.
each department has its own cost centers. Okay.
Okay.
Cost centers are there here, your controlling area. If you select anything like controlling area. Okay. So now you can select the master cost center if you create it. So we don't know how to create this. So something open screen. And business area, if you create it, you can go to our business area. I have created ASLAN business area. Okay. So in which you can also add your code also. So anything it will be showing if you create anything, that objects are showing here.
Okay.
So system will say that there is no link between control area of Amul milks and business area. So system going to searching inside. Okay, that's removed here. So you can get Amul. Okay. Amul milks.
Not that.
Okay, take anything area here for adding Amul. So go to add your company code. It's Amul milks. Your personal area, Amul area, HR area, and personal area. Yes, this is HR area of this personal data. To store that. Okay, so this is assignment in actually accounts assignment. Cost distribution. If you select cost distribution, you can work schedule. Cost distribution also you can add your cost center, own cost center order.
Okay.
So this is cost control. Yes. So you can select your cost. Likewise, we have the integrations here. Even select your work center, work schedules. So for this group, you can create your own work schedules. So 40 hours a week, 100%. So start date, end date. We create all workers groups and hourly paid employees and salary employees.
Okay.
So totally now what I'm doing here. So I need to check that whatever I created, the objects in simple method. Also I can able to be here. I have such area here.
Okay.
So again I'm going to there, go to change, display activities. Okay. So if you want to check this, search term, the star pod. Yes, pod INC.
Okay.
So this is the group you created here.
Okay.
Yes. So these are all activities what you created under the ESINC pod and executive director. These are the positions which are there.
Yeah.
So already there. Other AR Texas also. Everything is able to be edited. Clear?
Yeah.
So what I mean to say is you can select even that org structure which interlink also. So when you check jobs also, so this is star, you can add star here, pod star. So
Okay.
it is F right, F
Yeah.
star. Yes. So these are the FCEO, FED, FHOD, F manager, F executives. So these
Mm-hmm.
all created here.
Okay.
Right. So this is FCEO. So it is job here. So this is symbol of job. Same
Okay.
also job here. Okay. If you go with the positions, select the positions here. F
F star.
manager. Yes. Yes. With the man. So when you select here with a man like symbol, that is the position.
Yes. Okay.
So here. So here F manager, F job, and F INC company.
Okay.
You can also search like this. So tomorrow we will see how to create the structure only under staff method, RMS staff method.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Tomorrow we'll finish up this OM, and tomorrow if you have a time, we can also discuss about the info types. Info types is
Okay.
things, different kinds of things, so that we can do. Right?
But we are yet to do the work center, no?
We can do. You can do here.
No, but we no. I'm saying we are yet to learn that, no?
Yes, you have to learn tomorrow.
Okay. So work center is there, cost center,
Work
the
center is
people,
complete. Only person is there.
only
Person will be
person.
an person whenever you hire the person, that is a person, right? It is comes under
Yeah. Yeah.
personal activities. That is whenever hire PA, personal administration. So hiring process and assign this position to him. So then the number will be generated from numcar feature. In the numcar feature, we added some numbers. So that
Yes.
numbers, yes, that will be generated from there only. The employee number will be generated from the numcar feature. P. P
Yeah.
for Perner. P-E-R-N-R. Perner.
Okay. Personal
That
number.
is the term. In the real time, we can say Perner. Perner means personal number.
Okay.
Okay. See you tomorrow. We can create here that whatever you want to create a org structure here, along with your org structure and positions and as well as jobs.
Okay.
Okay. So here
Done,
one
sir.
more period also there. Here one more period also, which is 3 months. So you can also create the structure for the 3 months, for the 5 months, for 6 months, whatever it may be.
Oh,
See,
okay.
to create the time period of validity of this, whatever the structure you want to create. See, it is 3 days, 4 days, weeks, months, years, complete.
Okay.
So select complete, it is showing that entire date, 9999.
Yeah.
If you select the weeks, so system will give you that 3 weeks. You can also add 52 weeks, 1 year.
Yeah. Okay.
This is 1 year, right?
Yeah.
So it is at the time of running of that end users. At the time you can also use this. So if you use only 2 weeks, it will give the 2 weeks time only. So 1st January to 14th January. So after that, system is not going until unless you can extend the timing. So preview period also there. So you can go to add. If you 2 months, take 2 months. This is January. This is February 29.
Yeah. Okay.
Date automatically will be taken. Right? Thank you.
Okay.
See you tomorrow same time.
Sure. Thanks, Vijay.